Hi everybody, Captain Nick Pavlakis here once again with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. And behind me today, what we have here is a Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This one's custom ordered, one of the hottest and most recognizable hulls on the market. Follow me and let's see exactly how this one's equipped. Back here, this boat has to offer a 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine, command thrust 90. Very great power package for this boat. Back here you see that we have the bench seat across the back. Gonna give us room for maybe 3 adults and really enjoy ourselves back here. And of course this does transform into a full Sunpad down there. Over here, there's a couple different ways that these boats come spec'd out from the factory. This one already has the Raymarine Unit on it, multi-function unit with your depth finder, your charts. Gonna have some of your gauges on there too. It's really an all-in-one unit. You don't need to install it. This boat is gas and go and ready to enjoy. In Florida, of course, we always have these boats equipped with a bimini top. You gotta keep that sun off you. We make our way down to the hull side right here. You see the chrome graphics with the 170 Montauk inlaid in the side right there with the light blue gel coat, full hull, not just the gel sides. They do the full hull with the gel coat. Down there, this is a boat motor trailer package, so this boat is equipped with a swing tongue trailer. The point of that, of course, is this boat will in fact sit into most 2-car garages without any modifications. I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Thank you for joining me today. This is a Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Come on down and get your own. Bye, guys.